I don't want to look like everybody. I want it to be grimy and chalky. And if there's a lag or like freezes or lines pop in, like like you're looking at a busted antenna TV, like that's what I want, and that's what we're going to go. That's what you're going to get here. That's what I'm going to give you, and you don't have a choice about that. So welcome to the show. This is our fifth. The episodes are also going to be a little bit shorter because technical difficulties, and I'm going to be recording this from basically not in a studio. There will be no studio. Fuck studios as well. Why am I studio space, proper audio? What is wrong with you? All right, I'm not that kind of production person. All right, I want you to get to know me, and you're gonna get to know me by me not being in a studio, because that's not me. I don't need to. Maybe I'll have one in the house one day, but it'll still have a shitty camera on it.